Hey, everybody, we're going to get straight into the point today. This is crypto trading and investing, probably about to be known as the drunk investor, because we got to be drunk to be investing in these cryptocurrencies. I'm telling you, everybody's calling us crazy. They're like, hey, what the heck are you doing? Investing and trading. I don't know the difference between investing and trading. That's what these people are saying from the outside. But we in the cryptocurrency space know if you're a beginner and you've never, ever done any type of trading, or you suck at trading, hey, I suggest, hey, come on and join our Discord. Here we go. Come on and join our Discord. She's asking if Coinbase is safe. Hey, I said it's government regulations and everything. There are people killing it. Here, look, this was on the 3rd. This is one of our more active members. He kind of took a break, but he got in. I mentioned Ethereum and where we would go long. Now, I'm not giving financial advice or anything. This is my opinion. I was showing my thought. I'm like, hey, if I would go long right here, this is where I am going long at. And it was between 235 and 255. Once it broke out of that, boom. So he got in at 265 at 25x. Now, me personally, 50. What I suggest people to do is when they're first learning, 5x. And then we lower, the amount. So he came out with $367 profit with that. Hey, not bad for a day's work. Now that was over some time. I think it took a week or two, but still. Then this was a smaller dollar trade because he's still learning. $24 came out with $6 profit. Scalp. Probably another $6 on this one. Scalp. There's another 13%. Now this is one of our best traders in the group. Oh my goodness! After she joined in February, it took her about 3 months of learning, and she went berserk ham on this. Then into how we're going to learn about trading and investing in these cryptocurrencies. But I'm sorry about shilling this. I just want to let you guys know this is crazy. She had a 51%. Now this, she's going to keep these trades. She's just showing how they are. This one, she closed at, okay, number one, she got in on like 3 or 4 of these things. This is, everybody doesn't show their testimonials here. Sometimes they leave it in the general chat. And she frequently just WhatsApp me or whatnot, and I'm like, hey, post this in a group. I got to tell her to post it in a group so people know. And she's like, because I want people to see that somebody is active in here, that they're doing it. So this was 655%. She actually closed this at 19.7, and I think that was like 800+%. She said she didn't know exact percent, but she knew the last time she was like 810. So another thing, we got Stellar Lumens. Let's go down the list. Now, this was at a negative because I said, hey, if you do well, you do bad, you show both, right? This is where it was in progress. She winded up closing that at a profit. So that was pretty good. She closed it at a profit. We're going back down to Big Bad Baker. There's another 32% scalp. Now, he closes his things because he's using 50x. She's using 20, except for on VeChain, she used a 50x. 50%. See, that's a continuation of her trades. And I think she's going to have one more Theta. She closed the Bitcoin Cash one. There's Theta. And she wound up closing XLM, I think right here. Theta, she closed that at 42 cents. Yeah, because she mentioned it in the group. She said she wanted to close it. It hit 42 cents. Bitcoin Cash, she wound up closing that, I think, a little bit lower. It went up to 328. But I'm not sure if she closed it there because I had a specific swing trade. But then as I was talking, I kind of made people nervous and I got them out of the swing trade early on that. We actually have that in the active swing trade corner where we talk about some targets, and we got an XRP. So now enough of that shilling. With that, we're going to show one more thing, and that's going to be the trades that I just took out. And you can see the dates on the bottom of those. But let's just look at these really quick, and then we're going to get straight into it. If you want to learn how to do trading and investing, you want to change your life, quit the job. I would not suggest quitting a job. Some people say, quit your job and do this. Hell no. That's fucking stupid. Okay? This video is not for kids. I'm not putting an ad on it. I don't fucking care. That's fucking stupid. Do not do that. Now, if you are at home because of COVID-19 or laid off or something like that, that's different. It costs 8 Ethereum to join our Discord group. You email me at ctai@protonmail.com for that. Now, just did the math on it. It's $3.99 for Ethereum. Prices will go up very shortly on that, so it's not going to last at 8 Ethereum. I was doing a monthly rate. I realized that that's a lot of a headache with just with a lot of details. So we're doing an annual rate now. So it's 8 Ethereum a year. That's going to go up eventually. Look in the description, ctai.protonmail.com. After today, in the next 24 hours, it's going to go up to 10 Ethereum. But for right now, there's 3,200 US dollars. So with that being said, that's 118% profit. I closed it roughly around here, a little bit lower than that if I'm not mistaken. Then I got a 42% profit, closed at above that actually. Then I got OMG. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know. Omi Say Go. Here we go. We got Omi Say Go up in the party, up in the building. This was the second trade actually. My first trade was this one. This was the second one. As you can see, the entry price is higher. So they were not exactly in order. Just like this one was first. This one was second. This one second. And this one was first. So I closed this one. Where is this? This is 769. I closed this one at about 650+% profit, somewhere there about. And man, that was crazy. That was crazy. I did that just this morning, today. The Omi Say Go ones were today. This was, I think, 2 days ago or something like that for XTZ. And yeah, so now that's enough shilling and all that good stuff and blah, 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 whatever. Now, if you guys want to see Chainlink, the next Chainlink, the next one where we're going to call from right here, where I show my mindset on it because I'm not doing financial advice, but I am going to show my mindset where you can get in between why I take out the trades so that you can make an educated decision on you taking out a trade too. We've had people that outdid me on this trade, and I called it right here before it exploded up, because I was looking at the 4 hour as an ascending triangle. For people that don't know that, let's just cut out the jargon. This, like, it was in a pump formation. It pumped. We were correct. Some people held that from when I mentioned it at 493 or something. I got in I averaged up to 495 something. We had a member that messaged me the other day, freaking excited. What the heck? Still had the trade open at 50x leverage from 497 and held that and still had it at $20. She did not close it. She did cash in between $17 and $18, about a few $1,000s out. And she says she's going to hold it. I'm like, okay, as long as it doesn't come back down here to liquidate, that's good. Now, it might come back down and whatever that is, well, at least she got a few $1,000s profit just from using a few $100. You want to find out the next chain link, the next thing, 300+%. Let's do this on right here. If you want to know the next thing that's going to go up like that, look at this. This is not even with leverage. Now with leverage, it's 306% profit. We're not going to get the perfect bottom or top. That, just get that illusion out of the window. I thought it was going to stop somewhere around $10 personally. Okay, so I didn't have it this whole time. I got out in the 8s. Then I had a trade that I held here in and out. So collectively, we got that. So Omi Say Go, OMG. I mentioned that at $1.80. I had an auto sell at $4.95. This thing went up to 10. I did not get the full 500% profit essentially, but I did get unleveraged. It was 167% at this mark right around here. So, but I also had leverage on it. Just imagine you having 5x leverage. Now, what's the next cryptocurrency? I know you guys are here. What's the next cryptocurrency to explode like OMG, Link, or just some of these other ones like Cardano even did? Is it going to be VeChain? Is it going to be Cardano? Is it going to be, who knows? It's in the Discord group. I'm looking at VeChain just as a proof that we did these things before, where I'm looking at, yeah, VeChain can go up here. Yeah. So you guys see where I'm looking at these things right here, and that this could be an extended, and when I say could, I want to point out something. There are a few YouTubers that say they don't do any TA and whatnot. Yeah, you can do naked trading, and you can say it's no TA. I've said that before. If you use a chart, that's technical analysis. End of story, not even a question. Just look it up. Look up the definition of technical analysis. You're analyzing the price. That's technical analysis. I typically have volume on here. I started to even take the volume off. and be with this. Sometimes I put indicators on because I'm teaching some of the students and everything in the Discord school / group to use those. Now, there are people that claim they never lose. That's impossible. Even bots lose. Okay. There's going to come a point where we get a bad trade or a good trade goes bad. What happens when this starts to go down? Unless you use an incredibly snot-nosed small amount, or if you just happen to avoid every project that will not go bad, right? That will not go bad. What if happens if OMG goes out of business? You enter the trade up here, it goes down to the shitters. Is it going to come back? Maybe it will, because even BitConnect, the scam coin, trades somewhere. But the likelihood of it coming back is just next to zero at that point, at least where your entry was. You can, I guess you can average down or whatever. What I'm saying is that even bots lose, because if you think about it, there are bots that go short, there are bots that go long. What happens? Oh, well, one time, sometimes they're right, sometimes they're wrong. Now, what we're looking at right here, this is what we're looking at. The probability of something doing this, whether it goes here and this forms a head and shoulders because that is 1, 2, 3 triple top, right? Or whether this, okay, why did it go straight? Okay, I got too many tabs open. Or whether this goes here and it starts to go up and then it explodes. Whatever it does, we're looking at probabilities. That's all that trading is a bunch of probabilities of something going up or down. That's how you can eliminate actually the indicators when you realize that it's about patterns and probabilities of something going up or down. And what the Discord group does help, like one of our best traders, is it helps with let's go over to the chat. We've already gone through the testimonials and stuff. What it helps with is you're asking questions. What it helps is with your asking questions, you're getting answers. Yeah, I'll say Binance is lying about Bitcoin all-time high because look, yesterday it said the all-time high was $12,468. All-time high for Bitcoin. What? Really? Anybody that has TradingView or that you can look at Binance itself. I went to Binance itself and went on the monthly chart and saw that Bitcoin was over $19,000. So what the heck is Binance doing when they said that it was all-time high of 12,000? I think it means yearly high or something like that, but they typo. Regardless, that was incorrect. So if you want to be able to find those out, the Discord is actually here to do that. I do some trade updates. I was talking about I was wrong on, oh, I forgot to put the Z there. But yeah, so I said I'm neutral on that. Update from yesterday. Remember how I mentioned OMG pumped another $1 in the last 12 hours, another 30% plus on it. And I'm talking about good long on XTZ. If you want to find out what the next OMG, the next XTZ is, join the Discord. It's 8 Ethereum. For the next 24 hours, then it's going to go up to 10 after that. I know it looks like I'm a new YouTuber. Actually, I had got false copyright struck down before. I'm not a new YouTuber. I actually don't like posting up videos like that. But over the course of a few years, I did have a lot of videos where people could see me doing some live trading and things like that. But from here, because I keep getting targeted when I do some live trading for some reason, instead, I'm just going to have videos like this where I just generally talk. It's not as good, it's not as sexy or whatever, and people aren't like, oh yeah, I'm just excited to join the group from that. But there are people that get interested and they join us. So if you're one of those people, if you want to be able to, set up something for your, to pay off your debt, to be financially free, whatever that means to you, if you want to have something for your family in the future, and maybe you want to do real estate, because one of the original things that I wanted to do is to get into cryptocurrencies or do some kind of other investing that allows me to buy up physical land, maybe a hotel or some other type of real estate, and then really just benefit from it. So if that's you, come on, join us. We are waiting for you. 8 Ethereum. Like I said, it's $3,200 unless, Ethereum pumps. I don't have to deal with the US dollars. You guys deal with the currency. I deal with the cryptocurrency. For the next 24 hours, we're going to have that for you. ctai@protonmail.com. And yeah, peace and much love to everybody. We'll see you on the next one.